I have a feeling we're about to learn a lot about these superstars and what makes them tick in this Extreme Rules match.
These matches always stress me out. An environment like this can turn a superstar into someone they never thought they'd become.
Or you could say this match reveals a superstar's true colors, Saxton. That's far more likely.
Delivering nasty stomps. Each of those boots seem to get heavier with each blow. Stomping their opponent.
Forearm smash after the stomps.
Oh, just in case the first few didn't hurt, there's another.
Reigns just imposing his will right now.
Reigns is making an opportunity for himself.
Cody clearly not the only one with something to prove in this fight.
Yeah, Reigns brought the fight in a major way. On that exchange.
And the fighting back gets them out of a precarious position. Oh, kick right to the gut. Just pounding away. With an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind. And look at this now, bad intentions coming with this hold. Floats over into the Fujiwara armbar.
The arm getting just tortured by this hold.
And even if you escape, this damage will limit your effectiveness.
And escaping the Fujiwara armbar.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof.
And that's enough to shake anybody's belief in themselves, even Cody Rhodes.
Reigns making sure he acknowledges him after that.
How do you win a no DQ match, or even survive it?
By being fearless? You can't let this chaos.
There it is. He could end it here.
Oh, somehow! Getting the shoulder up before 2 tells me the end is not here. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Maneuvers out of the way. Double underarm hook. Not gonna get it. Instead,
countered with a back body drop. Bang!
Boom!
Ah, look at this, just cranking it out.
Ooh! Jacks his jaw with a quick knee. Oh, goodness, what a moonsault. Thunderous power slam.
Ah, striking with a knee.
Having trouble making it to a vertical base, and it looks like it's only going to get worse.
Oh, great wherewithal there. Producing a trampling bang.
Oh, my goodness.
Just punishing their opponent.
I think rage took over in that moment. Nothing but blind rage. Insulting. That's telling your opponent, you don't deserve to share this stage with me. Mounting their downed opponent and firing off a series of blows.
Oh, a nasty stomp to finish it off.
Ooh, that could have done some serious damage. And that's another well-placed attack to his head and neck area. Just rubbing salt in the wound now.
I don't think there was anything necessary about that.
Bam!
No doubt Cody is having trouble here.
Cody feeling the sheer dominance of Reigns. Oh, impact to the stomach. He just drove his knee right into his cheek. Oh, ouch.
Oh, ooh, ooh. Kick to the gut.
What a right! Oh, look at this, just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt.
Going for the cover here.
Only a 1 count before the kick out.
He's nowhere near ready to stop fighting yet. Boom!
Momentum has pivoted towards Roman.
Yeah, some flaws in Cody's game plan are being exposed.
Elbows on the mark.
You could see that each strike drained their opponent's energy. Kicks to the cranium of their opponent. Disgusting behavior. There was no respect shown there. finding a way to slow his opponent's assault down.
He is absolutely back in this fight.
He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring.
Bringing out that lat from the top rope.
Oh, he had that scouted. He quickly slides into the ring.
Shutting that down with the back elbow.
Big counter from Reigns. Ooh, I don't know if Cody can withstand much more.
Roman seems tapped into his endless reserve of strength.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof.
Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting. And he's got cartoon birds swirling over his head right now for sure.
All these attacks to the head. He's going to end up with a lot more than a splitting headache if this match goes on for much longer.
Rolling into a monkey flip.
Oh, that was inventive.
Counters. Ooh. Oh, man, what a strong kick.
Tremendous pressure being applied in this head crank.
Oh, shoulders down. Does he have it? He's able to beat a 2 count.
Kicking out now sends a very clear message. Ooh!
Turns the tides with a knee to the abdomen.
Because the goodbye Rhodes followed by the uppercut. Bulldog delivered with force. Rolling into a monkey flip.
Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too. Ooh, back landing.
And there's more resiliency from Cody to just keep battling.
You can really tell that Cody's desperate not to lose control of this match again at this point.
He finds a counter for Rhodes.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof.
Double axe handle smash.
Turns it around.
A heel hook locked in. You can almost hear the opponents yelling in agony.
Oh, and Roman fights back.
Oh, my God. Delivering right hands and then slamming their face down. Got the leg.
Leg being manipulated with that maneuver.
Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg.
Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too.
Being contorted doesn't look good.
An impressive sequence from Cody.
Cody has that fire in his eyes, and Roman has no answer.
Rolling into a monkey flip.
Nice monkey flip.
Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent.
Right across the knee. Heel hook locked in. This is painful.
Attack being brought to Roman.
Roman's being picked apart.
Attacking the knee. Oh, and it's reversed.
Reigns is going to look to press on the advantage.
Reigns isn't allowing that burst of attacks to throw him off his game.
Into a monkey flip. Testing the limits of that leg here.
to the floor.
Cody's capturing the momentum now.
Way too...
Man, oh man, took that crucial leap of faith, and no one was there.
Powerbomb.
Whoa, 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 wait a second. Hoisted all the way up. Taking out the legs, taking out the ability to create separation.
Huge powerbomb. Going for the legs, going right after the base. Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof. Incredible pressure being put on Rhodes.
Yeah, Cody has to plot a way to get back into this.
Just punishing their opponent. Uh-oh. Disrupts the attack with an elbow to the gut. Cody Rhodes throwing those jabs just like his daddy. Winding up. Followed by
The bionic elbow. Isolating the arm. Cody has Reigns dialed in.
rocked by the clothesline out of nowhere. And taking aim right at the midsection with this offense. Man.
Oh, what a right!
Man, that's some attitude behind it.
Connects with a jab and another. A series of lefts. Keep an eye on the right. Here comes.
Oh, with a bionic elbow.
Look at this. Elbows.
Right to the knee. Round and round.
Ruthless. Weakening the leg with another shot.
Boom, boom, persistent barrage. Right on the arm. All the momentum has swung to Cody Rhodes.
Cody's getting that unstoppable look in his eyes.
Ooh!
Elbow drop to the leg, and again.
Screwing hard. Placed upon the left knee. Hitting the elbow drop.
Lining up Reigns. Opportunities like this rarely open up.
Rhodes has his opponent.
Looking to put his opponent on Dream Street. Crossroads. Cody looking to wrap this one up.
Cody Rhodes hooks his opponent. Crossroads.
Cody Rhodes nailed it.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt.
Ooh.
Roman's struggling here, guys.
Roman's on the wrong side of this exchange.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Cody Rhodes procures a sledgehammer, ready to smash another throne.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
He's got a kendo stick, a weapon we've seen used to great effect time and time again. Reigns attacking. Cody answers every shot. They both want more.
Reigns and Cody are two titans doing battle right now. One answer after another. Neither competitor giving an inch.
Taking aim on the arm.
And Rhodes stringing something together now.
There's incredible impact with every maneuver Cody delivers.
No doubt about it. This is just adding extreme insult to injury.
The American Nightmare.
For Crossroads. That is what it takes to topple Reigns.
Getting back into the ring now.
And he has no regard for anyone else now that he has the sledgehammer in hand.
Perhaps looking for some kind of equalizer here.
The universal signal for extreme. The kendo stick has entered the fray.
Just take a look at the WWE Universe. They know there is no better place to be than right here, right now.
Working to neutralize that arm. And the arm was the clear focus of that attack.
Now that'll do some serious damage. Oh, the elbow drop knee crusher.
Grief. Ruthless.
Oh, they just chucked that hammer right at him.
Got out of the way, but can he capitalize?
Right to the knee. Reigns is facing some serious trouble.
The homework done on Roman is paying off. Oh, this is really getting out of hand here. Someone needs to step in. Mercilessly attacking over and over with no remorse. This kind of brutality is sickening.
He clearly has dangerous intentions in mind here, gentlemen.
I don't know what he's got in mind heading to the floor here. Cody Rhodes felt that coming. With a clothesline. Being sized up. He might regret getting back up here.
And he denies Cody.
Gets out of the way of that one.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof. He's able to avoid heavy contact. Reigns able to stop. Oh my gosh, what impact.
And it's no accident what body part was targeted there.
Definitely came into this match with a game plan to neutralize the legs.
And he definitely has plans for this ladder.
The beauty of this business, we're always learning new sorts of uses for a ladder.
No idea where this one's heading.
And slides back into the ring.
A little showboating from Rhodes.
Heading to the top rope here. He's looking to go high risk from the top rope. High rent district for Cody Rhodes. Looking to take it to the air now.
He's heading back to the ring.
He's able to counter that.
Look at this, just unloading.
And a stomp to the gut.
Oh, the elbow drop knee crusher.
And again. Ruthless.
Taking his time, preparing to attack. Back elbow blows that one out.
Man, this place is jumping. Ooh, looking vulnerable now, guys. That hit connects from Roman Reigns.
Oh, that is going to leave a mark.
Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Powerbomb. This is going to take some power here. Look at this strength. Absolutely impressive. Powerbomb dropped him.
And the scary thing is, these attacks are being done with great ease.
Each attack is just flaunting the incredible power this competitor possesses. Powerbomb!
And when you can manhandle your opposition like this, you become a lion playing with its food.
Powerbomb! And there's no two ways about it. This is dominance, gentlemen.
Rhodes is feeding off the WWE Universe.
This capacity crowd is sending him love, and he's sending it right back.
Here we go again. He made his point. Concentrate on the match instead of everything outside of it.
And he now slides back into the ring.
Capitalized on that window and just clubbed them. Uh-oh. This isn't going to be pretty.
Nice suplex. Right to the knee. Round and round. Ruthless.
Oh, the heel hook. Stretch.
Debilitating attack on the leg.
Honing in on the arm.
Oh, God, that hurt. Cody Rhodes is just having his way here.
Continued offense courtesy of Cody Rhodes.
Oh, my. Knee right to the back of the neck.
Got the leg and elbow drop.
Reigns had that scouted.
Roman managing to get some control back now.
Maybe Reigns has found a new source of aggression to battle back with.
Jawbreaker interrupts the attack.
Kick to the gut.
Boom! DDT. Ah, look at this. Just cranking it out.
Oh, my goodness.
Just punishing their opponent.
Did you hear the thud on that impact?
Oh, to the arm. Terrible.
Ooh, caught him with that kick.
Fends it off. Good counter. Big clothesline.
Not looking in any condition to fight. More like a sitting duck here.
Rhodes is countered. Cody.
A pedigree delivered with authority from the American Nightmare.
Knee straight to the gut, stays off the attack.
A bionic elbow. He is locked in and has his opponent dead to rights.
He answers right back. Lariat. Oh, stop, stop, stop. Smash. Oh, kick right to the back. Oh, complete deadlift. This is incredible. Gut-wrench suplex. But I think those constant attacks to his torso are adding up.
Yeah, Cole, this could have consequences for his future.
Counter from Rhodes.
And Cody puts a stop to the momentum that was mounting against him.
Cody is allowing that burst of attacks to put an end to it. Ruthless.
Attacking the arm.
Great way to break down your opponent.
There's no way this is going to work. No way.
Oh, yes way. Boom. What a suplex.
Roman's shoulders are down. Got it through the the suffering, still gets the win.
Here is your winner, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes!
Just an unbelievable scene here tonight. Think about everything Cody Rhodes and Roman Reigns put their bodies through.
This was the best